Hello everyone, in today's video we are studying arithmetic progression. Why are we studying arithmetic progression? What is the use of it? Anything which is continuous has a pattern. The pattern like the phases of moon, day and light, your heartbeat pattern, everything has a pattern. So with the help of arithmetic progression, we can know the present pattern and predict the future pattern. So is every pattern about arithmetic progression? Every pattern is not an arithmetic progression. Then what is an arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a series of numbers, okay, in which you pick any two successive numbers, the difference between them will be the same. And before starting the exercise, let's know few terminologies which is related to this arithmetic progression, which will be helpful while working out exercise problems. So I will give you an example of 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is a finite series. Finite series means which has the last term, an end to it. Infinite series is a series when it doesn't have an end to it but continues on and on. So this one, the first number is called as A. It is represented by A. The last one is represented by L or AN. The difference between the series like 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. Look at the differences between the successive terms. It's the same. It's the common. That's why it's called as common difference. Okay. The numbers in the series are called as terms. Remember this. So let's start with our exercise. Have your textbook with you so that you can refer it. I have the PDF of textbook. Let's start. First question, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So first sub question, they have asked, does it make an arithmetic progression? Why does it make an arithmetic progression? A taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer. So the first kilometer fare is 15 rupees and 8 for each additional kilometer. If you go for the second kilometer, you will pay 15 plus 8. Third kilometer, 15 plus 8 plus 8. So for the first 2 kilometers, it's 15 plus 8. For the first 3 kilometers, it is 15 plus 8 plus 8. This is 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. So the differences between them, 15 and 23 is 8. 23 and 31 is 8. When the difference between two successive terms in a series, then they are called as arithmetic progression. That's why this series is an arithmetic progression. Why? Because the common difference is the same, that is rupees 8. Second one, the amount of air present in a cylinder. Okay, just draw a cylinder. Air present in a cylinder. When a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, every time the vacuum pump is used, it removes the 1/4 of the remaining air in it. So there is a cylinder, it is full. Now, its volume is V. I will remove 1/4 of it. 1/4 of what? 1/4 of the volume. So minus 1/4 of volume. V, this is a whole number, so 1. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. Now the container is not full, it has become 3/4. Okay. This is the first term. 3/4 is the first term. And next, after 3/4, And again we are removing 1/4 of what? Of the remaining container. What is the remaining container? 3/4. 3/4 minus 3 threes are, sorry, 3 ones are 3, 4 fours are 16. 3/4 minus 3 by 16. 3, 4 minus 3 by 16. Let's take the LCM. 4, 16. 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 4, 4 fours are 16. Put into numerators. 4 fours are 16. 16 ones are 16. 3 fours are 12. Minus 3 ones are 3. It's 9 by 16. First, the container was full. You removed the 1/4 of it. It became 3/4. The container was full initially. Then after removing the 1/4, it became 3/4. Then you removed the 1/4 from the 3/4. Then you got 9 by 16. You see the difference. The difference between 3/4 and 1 is 1/4. And the difference between 9 by 16 and 3/4 is not 1/4. Okay? The difference doesn't match. 9 by 16 minus 3/4. 16 ones are 4 fours are. 9 ones are 9. 3 fours are 12. 9 minus 12 is 3 by 16. So the difference between the first term and the second term is 1/4. The difference between the second term and the third term is 3 by 16. When the common difference, which you are not getting, see, I'm sorry, the difference between the series of two successive terms is not the same. So we are not getting a common difference, and that's why it is not in arithmetic progression. Let's move on to the third question. I will erase this. Third sub question. Firstly, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter. So for the first meter, they are charging rupees 150. And it raises by rupees 50 after each subsequent meter. So if I want to dig 2 meter, then I have to pay 150 plus 50. If I want to dig 3 meter, then I will pay 150 plus 50 plus 50. So first 2 meter will be rupees 150 plus rupees 50, 200. For the first 3 meter, it is rupees 150 plus rupees 50, again plus rupees 50. It will be 250. The difference between the first term and the second term, okay, first term and the second term is 50. Again, the difference between second term and the third term is 50. You are getting the common difference. That's why this series, that is 150, 200, 250, is in arithmetic progression. The fourth sub question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. So principal is rupees 10,000. Compound interest is how much? 8% every year. For this sum, you need to know the formula of compound interest. Compound interest equal to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. N refers to the time period. For how many years are you investing? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year? Your wish. Ci. The principal amount is 10,000. 1 plus rate of interest is 8%. 8 by 100. N. We are calculating the first term. So in the place of n, I will write 1. 10,000 into, I will take the LCM of this, 100. 1 into 100, 100 into 1. 1 into 100 is 100 plus 8 into 1 is 8. And I'll write it here. The first term is 10,000 into 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100. Zeros will get cancelled. 10800. This is your first term. Second term. P 10,000. 1 plus rate of interest 8 by 100. In the place of n, I will put 2. Why? Because we are finding the second term. 10,000. I'll take the LCM. It becomes 108. You found it earlier. 108. So I can just write it as usual into 2. 10,000 into, it is 108 by 100 the whole square. So 108 into 108. Cancel the zeros. It becomes 108 the whole square. How much is it? 16 zeros. 8 plus 6, 4. 1146. The second term is okay. I got the second term. Now consider the principal amount, that is 10,000, as the first term, and this one which we found at the end of the year 1 as the second term. The amount which we found at the end of the second year is 11,416. The difference between the initial amount and the final year amount is 800. But the difference between the first year final amount and the second year final amount is not 800. The common difference is not there. That's why this series is not in arithmetic progression. Remember, compound interest won't be in arithmetic progression because the interest rate is always calculated on the amount. And the simple interest will always be in arithmetic progression because the interest rate is calculated on not the principal. Sorry, it is on the principal and not on the amount. Simple interest, wait a minute, write it somewhere. Simple interest will be calculated on principal. Compound interest will be calculated on the amount. That's why when amount is calculated on the basis of simple interest, you get the interest rate in arithmetic progression. When it is in compound interest, the interest rate won't be in arithmetic progression. Okay, let's move on to the second main. Write the first 4 terms of AP when the first term and the common difference are given. So this is pretty simple in the whole exercise. Second main, first question, A is given as 10, B as 10. We have to find the first four terms. First term will be 10, second term will be first term plus common difference 20, third term will be second term plus common difference 30, fourth term will be third term plus common difference 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. I got all the four numbers, four terms of AB. Second one, A is -2 and B is 0. The first term is -2, second term is first term plus common difference -2, third term is second term plus common difference -2, fourth term is third term plus common difference -2. I got all the four terms which is the same -2. It is in AP. Why? Because the common difference is same 0. Third one, A equal to 4, B equal to 3. A is 4. So first term is 4. Second term is 4 plus 3, 7. Third term is second term plus the common difference 10. Fourth term is third term plus the common difference 13. The first four terms are 4, 7, 10, 13. Third one. So we did the third one, right? Fourth one. A equal to -1. D is half. So instead of 1 by 2, you can even write it in decimals, 0.5. It becomes easier. First term is -1. Second term is first term plus common difference -1.5. Third term is -1.5. Okay, I made a mistake. -1 plus 1.5. When the signs are different, it is subtraction. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 and the sign of the greater number is minus. Third term is second term plus the common difference minus 0.5 plus 0.5 cancelled, you get 0. Fourth term is third term plus 0.5 common difference, you get 0.5. So the four terms are -1, -0.5, 0, 0.5. Just have a look at it for a second, then I will erase. Fifth one. First term is -1.25 and common difference is -0.25. First term -1.25, second term -1.25 plus the common difference 25. So -1.25 plus into minus 0.25. When the symbols are same, minus and minus, we need to add -1.25 and 0.25. You get 1.5, sign of the greater number. A3, second term plus the common difference. minus 1.5. Listen to minus minus 0.25. How much do you get? Minus 1.75. A4, third term, plus common difference minus 1.75 minus 0.25 gives you minus 2.00. That is nothing but 2. So the four terms are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75 and minus 2. And we shall go for the third main question. Find the following APs. Write the first term and the common difference. So in the first question, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. They have not told to, it is for APs, I read it as find the following APs. They have asked us to find out only the common difference and the first term. If they tell us to find the arithmetic progression, you need to find at least 2 or 3 common differences and compare them. If they are not the same, it is not an AP. Now we are not, they have not told us to find whether they are AP or not. They have told just to find A and D. That is first term and common difference. So the first term is 3. Common difference is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Second one, minus 5 minus 1, 3, 7. First term is minus 5 and the common difference is minus 1 minus 5. Minus into minus plus, 5 minus 1 is 4. So the first term is minus 5, common difference is 4. Third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. First term is 1 by 3. The common difference is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 by 3. When the denominators are same, you can subtract or add them directly. Fourth one, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. First term is 0.6, common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. And the fourth main question is little bit lengthy, so I will keep it as a second part of this playlist. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you.